How to share your screen in Google Meet on Android. This tutorial shows you how to present your screen to others during a meeting. First, open the Google Meet app on your Android device and join or start a meeting. After that, once you're inside the meeting, tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen to open more options. From there, tap on Share Screen from the menu that appears. At this point, a prompt will appear asking for permission to start screen sharing. Go ahead and tap Start Now to confirm. In the next step, your screen will now be visible to everyone in the meeting in real time. Following this, you can navigate to any app, document, or page on your device, and everyone in the call will be able to see exactly what you're doing. Once done, when you're finished presenting, swipe up or go back to Google Meet and tap Stop Sharing to end the screen share. Finally, keep in mind that any notifications that pop up on your screen will also be visible to everyone in the meeting, so it's a good idea to turn on Do Not Disturb before you start sharing. And that's it. If this guide helped you share your screen in Google Meet on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.